Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're riding from Agonda to Cahudi, Canacona, and I'm super excited to take you along with me on this scenic bike ride through Goa. The road is smooth, the weather's perfect, and I've got my friend with me, so it's going to be an awesome ride.
Continue on Major District Road 49 for 5 kilometers.
We're starting our journey in Agonda, a peaceful beach town known for its quiet vibe and stunning shoreline. The perfect place to kick off a bike ride, right? The roads here are smooth, and as we pedal along, we're treated to the serene beauty of Goa. The best part about biking through this area is how you can truly take in the natural beauty around you. From palm trees lining the road to glimpses of the ocean peeking through the greenery, it's like cycling through a tropical paradise.
Take the next right onto Major District Road 49. Continue on Major District Road 49 for 5 kilometers.
As we head out of Agonda, the surroundings are beautiful. The quiet beach, the lush green fields. It's a calm start to our journey. Everything's going smoothly, and we're cruising along, enjoying the breeze. The vibe here is so peaceful. You can really feel the tranquility of Goa away from the crowds. This is definitely my kind of place. It feels so nice to just cruise through these peaceful surroundings. Goa is so much more than just beaches. As we continue our ride, we pass through charming Goan villages. The houses here are colorful, and we can see locals going about their day, giving us a glimpse of authentic Goan life. The mix of the greenery and the bright houses makes everything feel so alive. It's so different from the more touristy spots.
More natural. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Wild berry. Oh, I saw that in the...
We're now passing by Wild Berry Resort. It's a beautiful place tucked away in nature, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. The resort is surrounded by greenery, and it looks like a perfect spot for anyone wanting to relax and enjoy some quiet time in Goa. It's got that perfect mix of nature and comfort. Also do check out Wild Berry Restaurant.
How do you want me to go to super fast? No. Wow.
As we cruise along the road, we're passing by Leopard Valley, one of the most famous nightlife spots in Goa. Known for its vibrant atmosphere, this place is where you can find amazing music, great parties, and a lively crowd. But today, we're here during the day, and it's peaceful, with just the sounds of the wind and the road beneath us. You can imagine how the place comes alive at night, with music echoing through the valley. All right, here's the moment of decision. Should we take a left or just keep going straight? Let's see. I think we'll just keep going straight. It looks like the road ahead has some interesting views, and I'm curious to see where it leads. So straight it is.
Oh, I think straight is that side.
No, this is correct.
Correct? What will people do? There is no beach. Beach is so far from here. But who comes here? Ah.
Wow, look at that view. This is exactly why I love biking in Goa. So many beautiful spots to see. The road is smooth, the air feels amazing, and the freedom of the ride is just unbeatable. Seriously, if you haven't tried biking through these places, you're missing out. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy bike rides like this too. The air feels so fresh, and the trees on either side are creating the perfect shade. It's so peaceful here, just the sound of the bike engine and the rustling leaves. This is the side of Goa you don't always see, and it's absolutely stunning. Can't get enough of this serene vibe.
Palhalim 3 kilometers. I think we are on wrong side, Baba. But let's eat lunch at Palhalim then. Now we are at Palhalim. Let's eat lunch there. What do you say? I think that was this.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Oh yeah, it finally spoke.
next left.
Yeah, this left. That left. Cannot be na. This one.
In 600 meters, turn right onto National Highway 66.
So we go for the Palolem that side. So after that we go Palolem. Nice jungle. Natural, eh? Yeah, whenever this kind of a thing comes, you can hold the camera.
Take the next right onto National Highway 66.
Now this is National Highway. Oh, this is nice.
Continue on National Highway 66 for 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers. Yeah, just point it out. Yeah, see and point it out to that.
Okay, so this is where things get a little interesting. We went straight instead of taking left turn, and now we're not exactly sure where we are. Haha, classic.
Where police
But
stop.
hey, that's part of the adventure, right? Sometimes you just have to embrace getting a bit lost. Well, this isn't exactly how we imagined the ride going, but I guess that's what makes it fun. Getting lost adds some excitement to the trip. Let's just hope we're not too far off course. So we ended up on a highway, and well, it's not exactly the scenic route we planned. But honestly, even though it's a bit busier, the view is still pretty cool. We've got some nice open roads, and the surroundings are changing as we get further from Agonda. It's a little more hectic here, but the ride is still nice. We can see the beauty of the rural areas from a highway. It's just different from the calm roads we thought we'd be on.
Huh? No.
On the highway, it's definitely faster. The road is more direct, but we're still getting a glimpse of Goa's countryside. You can spot a few small villages, farms, and, of course, plenty of palm trees lining the way. Even though we're on the highway, the view is still so beautiful. Goa really surprises you at every turn. It's all about embracing the journey, right?
In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Oh, we are almost there. In 100 meters, we are going to be there.
Okay, after a little bit of navigating, we finally found our way back on track, and we're heading toward Cahudi now. The adventure of getting lost wasn't planned, but it's been fun nonetheless. We'll be there soon, and I can't wait to check out the town.
You've arrived.
Hey, I have arrived. This is, I have arrived. Maybe so wrong. There we go. No, they said arrived. So must be around here.
Alright, so here's the deal. We were following Google Maps and, well, turns out it gave us the wrong confirmation of the location. We ended up going the wrong direction for a bit, but no worries, it's all part of the adventure. We're figuring it out, and we'll get back on track soon enough.
And this is a highway.
And here we are, finally in Cahudi, Canacona. The ride was definitely a bit more adventurous than expected, but we made it. The atmosphere here is a bit more lively than the villages we passed earlier, but it still feels really relaxed compared to the beaches. Agonda was peaceful, and now here in Cahudi, we can feel the small town vibe. We're excited to explore this place a bit more. That's a wrap on our bike ride from Agonda to Cahudi. Even though we got lost along the way, we made it here and enjoyed the journey. Thanks for riding along with us, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Oyster808 for more fun adventures. See you in the next one.
Oh, it is